Welcome to online classes. In last class we studied about complement of a set. In today's class we will do some problems regarding union, intersection, difference and complements. The first question is, find the union and intersection of the following. First question is x equal to the set 1, 3, 5 and set y is set containing 1, 2, 3. So what is the question given? You have to find union and intersection. So first question, union means this is the symbol. So first we have to find x union y. So what is the meaning of union? You have to write all the elements of x and also all the elements of y. So write all the elements 1, 3, 5. Already 1 bardagide. Next 2, again 3 we already wrote. So x union y is the set containing 1, 3, 5 and 2. So this is x union y. And you have to find the intersection, that is x intersection y. What is the meaning of intersection? You have to write only the common element present in both x and y. So all the elements common 1, next 3. So this is x union y and this is x intersection y. Now second question, A equal to A, E, I, O, U and set B is A, B, C. So again we have to find A union B and A intersection B. So what is A union B? You have to write all the elements of set A and also all the elements of set B. So first we have to write all the elements of set A, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now we have to write the elements of B. A already we wrote once. Next B and C. So this is the set A union B. Next the question is, you have to find the intersection, right? So we have to find A intersection B. What is the meaning of A intersection B? You have to write only the common elements. So what are the common elements present here? See, only A, right? So A intersection B is set containing A. So this is the second question. Third one, set A is set of all x such that x belongs to n and 1 less than x less than or equal to 6, and set B is set of all x such that x belongs to n and 6 less than x less than 10. So you have to find A union B and A intersection B. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ A ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ A? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? x belongs to n. x belongs to n ಹೇಳಿದರೆ x is a natural number, and what is the one more condition? X lies between 1 and 6. Here we are excluding 1 and including 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 2, 3, 4, 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 6 ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 5, ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? we have to include 6. So A equal to set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದಾನ್ 6 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದಾನ್ 6 ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 7, 8, 9. 10 ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 is given, so up to 9. So these are the A and B. Now we have to find A union B. So what is the meaning of union? You have to write all the elements of A and also all the elements of B. So the elements of A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to write all the elements of B, that is 7, 8, 9. Correct? Now what is A intersection B? That is element common to both. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ A intersection B is empty. ಐದರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಐದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೌ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Question number 4. A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to empty set. First we have to find A union B. You have to write all the elements of A and also all the elements of B. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. Since B is an empty set contains no element, so only this much. So A union B is set containing 1, 2, 3. What about A intersection B? Is there any common element between A and B? Since it is an empty set, we get A intersection B is an empty set. So this is regarding the first question. Now the second question. If A equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, B 3, 4, 5, 6, C 5, 6, 7, 8 and D 7, 8, 9, 10. Then find the following. So given 4 sets A, B, C, D, then you have to find the following. Then find first question A union B. First question, you have to find A union B. So what is set A? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 union. What is set B? It is 3, 4, 5, 6. So now find, write A union B. What is the meaning? You have to write all the elements of A and also all the elements of B. So you have to write first the elements of A, then you have to write all the elements of B. Already 3, 4 ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, so you did not need to write it again. So A union B is set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the first question. Second question, find A union C. So what is A? It is the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4 union. What is set containing C? It is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to find the union. First you have to write all the elements of A, then you have to write all the elements of C. So what are the elements of A? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write all the elements of C. What are the elements of C? It is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is A union C. Now the third question. A union D. So what is A? It is set containing 1, 2, 3, 4 union. What is D? It is a set containing 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to write all the elements of A and also all the elements of D. So first write all the elements of A. What are the elements of A? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write all the elements of D. What are the elements? 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is A union D. Similarly, for this you do the problems B union C, B union D and C union D. So do it yourself for the same. Next, question number 4, find A union B union C. The question number 4 is A union B union C. So first I will write set A. Set A is set containing 1, 2, 3, 4 union B. What is set B? It is 3, 4, 5, 6 union. What is set C? It is a set containing 5, 6, 7, 8. So union means you have to write all the elements, correct? So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊರೆಗೆ ನಾವು A union B ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಿ? You have to write all the elements of A and also all the elements of B. In the same way it is union of 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬರೆಯುವ. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 1, 2, 3, 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3, 4, 5, 6. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3, 4 ಬರ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? 5, 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಸಿ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 5, 6, 7, 8. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 5, 6 ಇದೆ. You have to write 7, 8. So this is A union B union C. Next, question number 5. Find B union C union D. Next question, find B union C union D. ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ B union C union D. So what is set B? It is 3, 4, 5, 6 union. What is C? 5, 6, 7, 8 union. What is set D? It is 7, 8, 9 and 10. ಈಗ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is, you have to write all the elements of B, all the elements of C, and also all the elements of D. So first we will write all the elements of B, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. Next you have to write all the elements of C. 5, 6 already bardiddave, remaining 7, 8. Then we have to write all the elements of D, that is 7, 8, 9, 10. Already 7, 8 bardiddave. So the set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is B union C union D. One more question I will give homework to you, that is find A union C union D. Do it yourself for the same one. So totally 4 homework, that is B union C, B union D, C union D, and A union C union D for the same A, B, C, D. So next question, that is question number 3rd one. If A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, set B 7, 9, 11, 13, set C 11, 13, 15, and set D 15, 17, then find first question. A intersection B. So first question is A intersection B. So what is set A? It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection set B. What is set B? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. So what is the meaning of intersection? The elements common to both. What are the elements common to both? 3, 5 does not belong to the second one. 7, 9 and 11, correct? So 7, 9 and 11 are the 3 common elements to both. So what is A intersection B? It is 7, 9, 11. Second question, find B intersection D. Find B intersection D. What is B? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection with the D. What is D? 15 and 17. So ಈಗ intersection ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you have to write only the common element present in both. ನೋಡಿ 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 9, 11, 13. So here there is no common element present, therefore here B intersection D ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? It is an empty set. So B intersection D is an empty set. Question number 3. Find A intersection D. Find A intersection D. So what is A? It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection with the 15, and 17. So what are the common elements present in both A and D? Is there a common elements present? No, right? Then again it is an empty set. So similarly, for you some homework questions, find A intersection C, B intersection C, B intersection D, B intersection D we already find out. C intersection D. So these are the similar homework questions. Next question. Question number 4. A intersection C intersection D. Find A intersection C intersection D. What is A? It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. What is C? It is 11, 13, 15. Intersection D. What is D? It is 15, 17. So you have to find intersection of these three sets. What is the meaning of intersection? Just A intersection B helidre common to both A and B, but illi intersection of 3 set. What is the meaning of intersection of 3? It is a common element present in all the 3. Check ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 3, 5, 7, 9 ವರೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ 11 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 11 ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is intersection of these 3? It is an empty set. Similarly, do it yourself. A intersection B intersection C and B intersection C intersection D. Next question. Question number 5. Find A intersection B union C. You have to find A intersection B union C. So first you have to find B union C. So what is B union C? Set B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. What is set C? 11, 13, 15. What is the meaning of union? You have to write all the elements of B and also all the elements of C. So what is B union C then? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. Again you have to write all the elements of C. 11 ಮತ್ತು 13 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? 15. So this is B union C. Now you have to find A intersection B union C. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? A intersection B union C, that is, therefore A intersection B union C. What is set A? It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection with this set, that is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So what is the meaning of intersection? The element common to both. Is 3 is common? No. 5? No. 7 common. 9 and 13. So the set A intersection B union C is a set containing 7, 9, 11. So this is A intersection B union C. Now question number 6. A intersection B union A intersection C. Next one, A intersection B union A intersection C. First we have to find A intersection B, then we have to find A intersection C, next its union. So first we will find A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? The elements common to both A and B. What are the elements common to both A and B? See here, A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection with the B. What is B? 7, 9, 11 and 13. So what are the common elements present here? 7, 9 and 11. Correct? So hagadre this is 7, 9 and 11. Next ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು? A intersection C. So A same 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection with the C. What is C? It is 11, 13, 15. So intersection ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ common elements. What are the common elements present here? Only 11. So this is set containing 11. Next ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು? Union of these two sets. Therefore A intersection B union A intersection C equal to, what is A intersection B we got? It is 7, 9, 11 union A intersection C is, it is a set 11. So what is the answer? It is, you have to write all the elements of the first set and also all the elements of the second, that is 7, 9 and 11. So this is A intersection B union A intersection C. Next question. Question number 7. A union D intersection B union C. A union D intersection B union C. So first we will find what is A union D. So what is A union D? It is the elements present in A and also element present in D. Direct bariva. What are the elements of A? It is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. What are the elements present in D? It is 15 and 17. So this is A union D. Now we will find what is B union C. Again direct baritene. What is elements of B? It is 7, 9, 11, 13. What about C? It is 11, 13, 15. 11, 13 is there. We have to write 15. So this is A union D and B union C. Now we have to find the intersection of these two. That is A union D intersection B union C. That is element common to both. That is A union D ಮತ್ತೆ B union C ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? 7, 9, 11 and 15. So answer is 7, 9, 11 and 15. So this is the set A union D intersection B union C. So I will give one homework regarding the same. Find A intersection B union D. Next, A intersection B intersection B union C. So this is one homework question similar to this. Thank you.